Hello. Welcome to the class of Construction Equipment Installation Project. In this video, we are talking about domestic drainage system composition. Mainly includes the following two aspects. First, classification of domestic drainage system. Second, composition of domestic drainage system. First, classification of domestic drainage systems. According to the different water quality, the domestic drainage system can be divided into domestic sewage system and domestic wastewater system. The washing water excreted in daily life becomes domestic wastewater, and domestic wastewater can be treated as miscellaneous water, also known as reclaimed water. The sewage discharged from the large and urinal is called domestic sewage. Second, domestic drainage system composition. The domestic drainage system consists of sanitary appliances, drainage pipe system, ventilation system, clearing equipment, local lifting equipment, and local sewage treatment structures. Sanitary appliances are the starting point of the drainage system inside the building, for people to wash goods, as well as collect and remove the wastewater generated in life and production. Sanitary appliances can be divided into toilet sanitary appliances, washing sanitary appliances, and special sanitary appliances, according to their use. Sanitary appliances include water closet seat, urinal, squatting toilet pan, urinal trough. Toiletries include wash basins, sinks, bathtubs, showers, etc. Washing sanitary appliances include washing basin, sewage basin, laboratory basin, etc. Special sanitary appliances include floor drains, water seals, etc. Toilet has three types of sitting, squatting and stool tank, as shown in the figure. This is a sitting toilet, squatting toilet. The home is commonly used in these two. This is the stool tank. Urinal has three types of hanging, vertical and urinal flushing equipment. Can use manual flushing valve. Automatic flushing water tank. The picture shows a vertical urinal. Wash basin has three types: wall frame type, table type, and column foot type, as shown in the picture for wall frame type, table type, and column foot type. Bathtub. It is generally equipped with cold and hot water faucets, or mixed faucets, and is equipped with fixed or movable shower heads, as shown in the figure. The advantages of shower are small footprint, large number of users, and small water consumption, as shown in the figure. Washing basins are generally used in residential kitchens and public canteens, which are divided into single, double, and three grids. Different installation methods can be divided into wall hanging type, column foot type, and table. As shown in the figure is a double cell basin. Sewage basin is generally located in the toilet or lavatory of public buildings for washing and cleaning tools, dumping sewage. Mostly floor type, as shown in the figure. Floor drain is generally made of cast iron or plastic. There are two kinds of water seal and no water seal, arranged in the lowest place of impervious ground, and the surrounding ground should be not less than 0.01 slope floor drain, as shown in the figure. Water seal. The trap is generally equipped with a water seal, and its main function is to isolate and prevent unpleasant harmful gases, combustible gases, and insects generated in the drainage pipe from entering the room through sanitary appliances and polluting the environment, as shown in the figure. The water seal in the trap is formed by a water column of a certain height, and its height shall not be less than 50 millimeters. The drainage pipe system consists of a drainage pipe connected with sanitary appliances, a drainage cross-branch pipe, a vertical pipe, a dry pipe buried in the indoor underground, and an discharge pipe discharged to the outdoor, as shown in the figure. The function of the P16 snorkel is not only to remove odor and harmful gases from the system. More important is to balance the air pressure and ensure the water seal. For buildings with few floors, ventilate by extending the upper part of the drain riser out of the roof. The upper extension of the drain riser is called the snorkel. For high-rise buildings with a large number of floors, in addition to taking the extended roof vent, auxiliary vent or special vent should be set up. Snorkel has extended top snorkel, special vent riser, combined vent, ring vent, and other types. When there are not many floors and sanitary appliances, the upper end of the drainage riser can be extended out of the roof for roof ventilation. When the building has more floors and sanitary appliances, the airflow process should be disturbed by the drainage process due to the large water displacement, and the drainage riser and the ventilation riser should be separated, and the special ventilation riser should be set up in order to form an air circulation loop in the drainage system. A combined vent pipe should be installed between the ventilation riser and the drainage riser. When 6 or more toilets or 4 or more sanitary appliances are connected to the horizontal branch pipe, and the distance from the riser is greater than 12 meters, a ring vent pipe should be installed. For some buildings with high sanitary standards and noise control requirements, appliance ventilation pipes should be set at the outlet of each sanitary appliance water trap. Clear the device. The main function is to dredge the drainage pipes inside the building and ensure smooth drainage, including inspection port, cleaning port, inspection well. An inspection port is arranged on the riser, as shown in the figure. A cleaning port is arranged on the cross-branch pipe, as shown in the figure. Inspection wells are set up at the bends, diameters and slope changes of drainage pipes, and at the connecting branches, as shown in the figure. Partial lifting device. When the sewage and wastewater in the basement of civil buildings, civil air defense buildings, underground technical layers of buildings, workshops or semi-basements of some industrial enterprises, underground railways and other buildings, cannot be discharged to the outside by themselves. Sewage lifting equipment must be set up. Local sewage treatment structure. When the sewage discharged from the building is not allowed to be directly discharged into the outdoor drainage pipe, such as strong acid, strong alkaline, containing a large amount of gasoline, grease, or a large number of impurities of the sewage, it is necessary to set up local sewage treatment equipment so that the water quality of the sewage is initially improved and then discharged into the outdoor drainage pipe. According to the different nature of sewage, different local sewage treatment equipment is used, such as sedimentation tank, oil removal tank, septic tank, neutralization tank, etc. Septic tank is a kind of simple sewage precipitation and sludge digestion structure that uses the principle of precipitation and anaerobic fermentation to remove suspended organic matter in domestic sewage. The main function is to precipitate the fecal sewage so that the sewage and debris are separated into the drainage pipe. The main forms are circles and rectangles. Grease trap is a local treatment structure for intercepting oil substances in sewage. The sewage containing more grease should be discharged after local treatment by the grease trap. Otherwise, the oil will enter the pipeline, solidified on the pipe wall, with the decrease of water temperature, and block the pipeline. Structure of grit basin of the sewage, discharged from the garage for washing cars, or during construction, contains a large amount of sediment before being discharged into the urban drainage pipeline. A grit basin shall be set to remove the coarse particle impurities in the sewage. This is the whole content of this video. Welcome to continue to pay attention to the construction equipment installation project and construction technology course of other videos. Thank you.